So IOHK is kind of a factory for cryptocurrencies and enterprise blockchain technology. So we're both a research company and an engineering company.
Phase 1, an introduction to Cardano. One of the best alternatives you need to follow. Proof of stake algorithm, that's Ouroboros.
What up guys, Nakamoto Crypto here. Cardano becomes the most decentralized network on the entire cryptocurrency market, with now the majority of ADA supply being staked. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Let's get to 500 subscribers. With more than 69% of its total circulating supply being staked, Cardano has now surpassed Polkadot as the most decentralized network in the entire globe. According to this data from Staking Rewards, over 21.75 billion ADA has now been staked on the Cardano network so far. This ambitious blockchain platform created by IOHK has been on a quest to become the world's foremost blockchain used for everything from dApps to digital identity and blockchain voting. However, with the blockchain's smart contract interoperability and governance functionalities yet to be fully released, many have dismissed the significance that it currently has on the market. But according to this latest data from data aggregators Staking Rewards, Cardano has now become the most decentralized blockchain on the entire network. There's currently 21.7 billion ADA being staked, representing 69% of its total circulating supply. The blockchain has surpassed Polkadot, which has long held the first spot amongst the blockchain in terms of staked value. ADA's pool has shown that the active stake, or the total amount of ADA delegated at the end of the last epoch, currently stands at around 21.4 billion ADA. The live stake, which represents the real amount of ADA currently delegated to stake pools, stands at 21,750,541,767. So out of this 21.75 billion ADA currently being staked, over 100 billion of them have been delegated to stake pools on January 5th alone, causing Peter Nierub to tweet, "No way, we just hit 100 million new ADA staked on a single day. This is insane. Guys, stake, do not sell. Hashtag Cardano, hashtag ADA." According to data published by Peter Nierub, an average of 1,500 new delegators are added to the network every single day for the past week, while another 1,895 new wallets have been created since January 8th alone. 2021 is looking bright for Cardano. It is currently in the 6th position on CoinMarketCap in terms of market capitalization. On the same token, analysts say that the Bitcoin price drop to 30k was healthy and necessary. The entire cryptocurrency fell by more than $200 billion as the Bitcoin price dropped from $41,000 to $30,229, and also altcoins corrected sharply 2 days ago. The analyst states that one worrying sign was not that Bitcoin's price was rising, but its velocity, the speed at which it did move from mid-December to the end of December. It was moving too fast. The median amplitude of the daily moves in Bitcoin doubled to 8.1%, then it almost doubled again from January the 1st of 2021 to January the 10th to 15.3%. So the larger the amplitude, the more exchanges took place through the day between buyers and sellers. This is a healthy correction, though the purge is the excessive growth of the past 10 days, allowing Bitcoin to build up a new base towards $50,000 and above. Microstrategy now holds $2.6 billion in BTC, as the giant investment Morgan Stanley is increasing its stakes in the Microstrategy stock. A new filing with the US Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, shows that Morgan Stanley has purchased about 11% of the business intelligence, MicroStrategy software and cloud-based service company. MicroStrategy's stock has skyrocketed since the company began buying massive amounts of Bitcoin late last year. So Up to date, Microstrategy has purchased approximately 70,470 BTC, which is now worth a staggering $2.6 billion at the moment. Market researcher Kevin Rocky sees that Morgan Stanley's move as a convenient way for the firm to gain exposure to BTC and the traditional markets is that Morgan Stanley just filed a form declaring that they now own 792,627 shares of Microstrategy. They have increased their position by 360%, adding to almost 650,000 shares since Q3 of 2020. So even the banks now want Bitcoin. Last month, Morgan Stanley's Chief Global Strategist Ruchi Sharma said that Bitcoin is rising as faith in the future of the US dollar's decline. Bitcoin is also starting to make progress on its ambition to replace the US dollar as a medium of exchange and a store of value. Today, most Bitcoins are held as an investment, not used to pay any bill, but that is changing. Bitcoin's surge may still prove to be a bubble, but if it pops, this year's rush to cryptocurrencies should serve as a warning to all governments and money printers everywhere, particularly in the US. So do not assume that your traditional currencies are the only stores of value or mediums of exchange. Digital asset firm backed on the same token predicts that the entire crypto market is set to hit a $3 trillion market cap by the year 2025. The current market cap of the entire crypto market is around $900 billion. Bakkt made this forecast while announcing its plan to become a publicly traded company via a merger with Victory Park Capital. Bakkt, which is also owned by International Exchange, offers Bitcoin features and is working to release the much anticipated Bakkt app, which allows users to pay for their everyday items in cryptocurrency. The firm has partnered with Starbucks, which is currently testing out Bakkt's app's integration on an invite-only basis. Customers of the largest coffee house chain can now use Bakkt Cash to reload their Starbucks card using the Starbucks app. Bakkt says that 400,000 people have already signed up for the early access of the Bakkt app, and a widespread rollout is planned for March of this year. Mass adoption is headed for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in 2021. Get ready for Bitcoin to skyrocket to $50,000 per BTC. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comment section below. Like the video, share, subscribe for some daily crypto content. I have been Mr. Nakamoto Crypto, and I'm out.